Ah, Hi everyone. Welcome to another training session. Um, Today we are going to be looking at the Microsoft Office Excel window interface. So this is the introduction to Microsoft Office Excel. So we are going to be looking at different Microsoft Office Excel interface. That is what we're going to be looking at. So I'm going to start now. So yes, now the point is that Microsoft Office, Word, and Excel window interface looks a little bit similar, but there are some differences there. So I'm going to go through it one after the other. So we have the menu bar now, but the point is that before the menu bar, a little going upward a little before the menu bar, we have the title bar. So whenever you save your document, your name is going to show there. So that is before the menu bar. So then the menu bars, let me go through the menu bar one after the other. So the menu bar of Microsoft Excel, we have the home, the insert, the page layout, we have the formula, the data, the review, and the view. Depending also on the version of Microsoft Office that you are using, but you will always see home, insert, page layout there. Yes, that is the menu bar. So on the menu bar you will see all those menus: home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, and so on and so forth. So then after the menu bar, we have the toolbar, where you are going to see the tools, just like very similar to Microsoft Word. Yes, clipboard. We have the font. There under the font, you can, edit font type, font size, font color, and all of that. Alignment, number, style, cells, editing, and all of that. They are under, yes, the menu bar. So they are what we call the tools bar in Microsoft Excel. We are still going to go through them one after the other. Then after the tools bar, we have the formula bar. So whenever you want to use any formula, whenever you type any formula, it will show on the formula bar. Yes, for example, let me just use a simple example. Let's say you want to type a sum formula, which is equals to sum. Any formula you want to type, you need to input the you start with equals to. We are still going to talk about that during our formula video. Yes, when we are looking at Excel formula and so on and so forth. So equals to sum. Let's open the bracket from, let's say, A1 to A4. A1, A1. Okay, A1. Okay, let's say two. Okay, yeah, A1. Let's say, okay, to A4. 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 Okay, then you close the bracket. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, yeah. So, yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So there's a little distance there. The formula, there's one instead of okay, yeah. So but the point is this. What I'm trying to say is that the formula, you enter any formula, which is the sum formula, equals to sum, open the bracket, A1 to A4. So that is the formula to do sum. So eventually you are going to see it on the formula bar. Yes, you're going to see it there. So okay, let me proceed. So we've seen number one. We've seen, okay, the title bar. After the title bar, we see the menu bar. After the menu bar, the tools bar. After the tools bar, the formula bar. Then the next one is the workstation, or our working area. The working area of Excel is different from Microsoft Word, as you have seen. So the working area of Excel is tabular form, is tabular format. So yes, you see table, rows and column. It is because Excel is basically used for different data analysis. It's used for, to input data in different form and all of that. We are still going to do a lot of that, yeah, in Excel. So you see the window of Excel. In the work area of Excel, you see, yes, you see rows and you see column. Rows are numbered and then column alphabets. So then we have rows, like I said, we have column and we have cell. Cell is the intersection of rows and column. For example, now this is cell B1, B column B row 1. So that is how to name a cell in Excel. Very, very important, because we are still going to be looking at that. We have the row and the column, and the cell is what is intersection of row and column. Then you have a cell, a cell. For example, whatever you want to type, you type in a cell. Let's say you want to get some items in the market, then you now list them and all of that. It could be clothing item or food items and all of that. So it's going to be on the row and the column, which is what we call the cell, intersection of rows and column, which is the cell. Okay. For example, let's say you want to buy some things in the market. You want to buy some food items in the market. Okay. Okay. Okay, and so on and so forth. So you see that as I'm typing them, you are seeing them on the what, yes, they are appearing, yes, in the intersection of rows and column, which is the cell. And immediately you click on any cell, you are going to see at the left corner the name box, the name of the cell will appear. So that is that. So the working area of Excel is an intersection of rows and column, which is cells. Yes, so we are still going to be talking more about that. Then after that, finally, after the working area, we have the status bar. Yes, the status bar. The status bar shows us the status of the page. Yes, it shows us it's a little bit similar to the status bar of Microsoft Word. We also see preview, different preview. Is it normal? Is it a page layout and all of that? Different preview and all of that. Then you can also zoom your page. Yes, yes. Okay, at the status bar. So for now, that this is the introduction to Microsoft Office Excel. So we've we've seen different aspects of the Excel window. So we are going to continue from there in our next video. We're going to continue from here in our next video. Thank you.